Chiquinha, chiquinha,
Go check out the room.
chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Pretty cool city, especially if you like density like I do. This is one of the most dense cities in the world. Might even label that in a video. One of the densest cities in the world. Okay, this is La Mesa Filipina. It's like a Philippine table. So I guess they have all Philippine food there. Huh. So that's the street that we're La Mesa Filipino. The barber shop is also Filipino too, so let's kind of go across here. It's okay. They've shown.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah.
Is this new? It's a new place?
This is our shop.
You got all, this looks good.
Yeah.
Got a lot of Filipino food.
Yeah, but you're here at the restaurant.
Yeah, just up the road.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Well, anything?
I'm just gonna take a look. I got my camera, so I'm just kind of taking pictures of.
Oh,
yeah.
really? Yeah.
But I'm just taking pictures of the whole street. So.
Oh, that's a good thing. You're a blogger? No.
Yep, I got it on YouTube.
Oh, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
What's your account on YouTube, sir?
It's called Get Sidetracked, and then it's Moon Over Macau.
Oh, I see.
So if you look for Moon Over Macau,
Oh, okay.
it'll come up on
I
YouTube.
will try to visit your YouTube, video.
Yeah, sounds good.
And you
Yeah,
can see, and you can see Mark David alone. He's the one in at the.
Ah, you are the
Yeah.
one who's making video with Raymond, right?
Yeah, that's right. I just got a haircut
Okay.
with Raymond
Oh,
just
thank
now.
you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
This is ours.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'll put this in the video today,
Oh, really?
but because I'm YouTubing right now. So.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's good.
But it'll be part of a bigger video. I won't. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I could
okay.
actually make a whole other video. Let me see.
Yeah, put in a video that the name La Mesa.
Yeah. So this is La Mesa Filipina,
Yes, exactly, sir.
and it's just down the road from Raymond's, the barber shop down there.
Yeah.
We
Go
got-
down straight here. Yeah,
Yes, straight down the hill. So
exactly.
police station
Police
is up
station.
there.
Yeah, then go down straight around, I think 15, walk down. Then this
And then down that way
Filipino
is.
community actually, sir. Yeah.
That's right. This is
And then after that one, actually my wife clinic, she's a dentist doctor. We have a clinic there. Yeah, I think you need to visit also, sir.
I do need to visit a dentist. as
Really,
well.
really, yeah. You need to visit my wife clinic for a dentist.
Do you have a card?
Of course, I will give you.
Okay.
Mommy, yeah. Sorry,
Come in.
your name again is
Kevin.
Kevin. Mommy, Kevin, this is my wife, Dr. Des.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good to meet you.
He's,
Dentist. I'm also
making some
YouTubing
video.
as well, so-
He's making some video in a YouTube. Yeah.
We got
We will give Sir Kevin.
Get a card for dentist. Yeah, sounds good.
We will open 100% next month.
Oh, next one.
Our opening will
Karaoke.
be on August 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I hope Sir Kelvin you will come here and visit us
Yeah.
on August 3.
Get
Yeah,
the dentist
this
right here
Dr.
too.
Des.
I'll put that in the YouTube as well.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Sir Kevin.
Nice to meet
you. Yeah.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah, good to meet you. I like this clock too.
Yes.
It's pretty cool.
If they want some halo, this is sweet.
Oh, the halo, yeah.
Halo is like a dessert, or what do you call that one, man? Refreshing dessert in summer. So this is
That's right.
halo. Yeah.
They got it at Jollibee's too, right? Jollibee's has
Exactly.
halo halo.
You've been in the Philippines before?
Yep, a few times.
Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah.
You have any Filipino drinks in here?
Is
Not yet.
Yeah, not yet,
Right.
sir. Yeah. Hoping you can visit on
Have
August
to
3.
get San Miguel and.
So again,
Red
Red
Horse.
House. We don't have yet that one.
Yeah, right. Sounds good.
Yes, sir.
I'll come back. I'll definitely come back again.
Yes,
Oh,
sir. Thank you.
This is like
This is as
Dark sauce?
vinegar to
vinegar.
put the what you call that one, the chicharron.
Oh, you also got that
That
too.
is my gable sound. Yeah, my wife clinic. That one, the vinegar.
Oh, okay.
This is all available later on. This is food available by August 3. So,
August 3.
Yeah, August 3 will be available. This is only a food cart for the takeout, but we have also some short order later on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'll throw all this in the video.
Okay.
I'll make a
thank you,
video out
sir.
of this. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Have a good night.
Oh, you too.
Yeah, pretty cool. So this is all going to be up August 3rd, which is about 2 weeks. Got Lechon, Pancit, karaoke in the back. She's also a dentist right here. And so I'll probably go down there sometime. And it says Pinoy Cuisine, and this is the address, 19CA. And but basically, like, if you know this area, there's I'll walk around and then I'll put it in the video. Yeah, it's a brand new place. And where we're going now is going to be. Oh, there's a. I don't see many monks around. This is kind of a good Filipino neighborhood. So a lot of stuff here would be Filipino stuff. So actually I got a really favorite pandesal bread place that I'm gonna go to in a minute. Internet cafe. So yeah, actually it's all pretty photogenic in this area. So it's pretty cool. So I was able to get a haircut and find out about a new Filipino restaurant. What's this one? Salon. This is it. Oh, okay. This is salon. I thought it was, I don't know what it was. So we're gonna get some pandesal. Let's see. You see that car? It said FU. Let's see. Tea time. So okay. And I always like to get this pandesal that's on the other side here. Let's see. Film all the way down. So, okay, so this is this goes all the way down to Sao Paulo Ruins, Sonata Square. And I basically went up this street right here, and then in a minute we're gonna get some pandesal. So just wait a minute. I'll turn off the camera for now. Oh, there we go. I'll turn off the camera for now.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.